Today we're making the Pusser's Painkiller, which is so delicious it's not even here anymore.
Yeah,
it disappeared.
Because we drank it. And I gave it away because it's exciting to give the painkiller to another person and spread joy through the world.
Make one, you'll understand.
Yeah. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Ian, Derek, we're going to show you how to make the Pusser's Painkiller.
That sounded like it was painful for you to say.
It's because I kept trying to say Dan and he's still not here yet. So until he gets here, it's Ian, Derek,
It's Ian,
and then me stuttering through the monologue. Today we're going to make Pusser's Painkiller. This recipe, I'll give you the breakdown. We got the explanation, the history. I might have some in there. Ian's got some because he's been there. We'll get to that. So the ingredient breakdown is going to be 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of Lopez coconut cream, or whatever you can get for coconut cream. I don't think coconut milk's going to do it. You're going to want something with a cream base. 2.5 ounces of Pusser's Navy rum, powdered cinnamon to the top, ground nutmeg to the top. Powdered cinnamon? Did I say I had that? Did we bring this out? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what do we do?
That all happened.
Look what you did there.
Yeah, so we're going to... This is what you're gonna do. Oh, is this a shake? Do you really shake this? Shake juices? I don't think that's.
Oh shit! Did I fuck it up?
No. Well, you haven't done anything yet. We could either shake it or put it in here. I prefer whatever.
Oh, shake juices. Okay, yeah.
You want to shake it?
I don't care.
All right.
So I'm.
You just build it.
Given that this is the consistency of
you want to
use
put
your
that
imagination.
Wait a minute. You want to put that in here first, right? You're gonna shake it.
Sure.
Well, if you're gonna shake it, put that part in here.
Yeah.
And we could dump this on top of that to shake it.
Yes, sir.
Because if you put it in here, you're going to end up doing that whole transfer problem.
Right. So I'm approximating an ounce of the Coco Lopez because this would be a pain to get in the measuring cup and then out of the measuring cup.
Probably.
In my mind. Yeah, a little more because coconut's good.
There you go. When you're not sure, you just add more because coconut is good. So this recipe is technically invented by the folks here at Pusser's because it's called the Pusser's Painkiller.
British naval strength rum, right?
Yep. It's one of the only drinks that has...
It's really horrible rum.
Yeah.
But it's great in this drink.
Yeah,
It is. It's awesome. Well, I mean, how can you go wrong?
And, Navy strength was not meant for
Right.
connoisseurs. It was meant as
Exactly.
a payment to Navy people or a commission to Navy people, right?
Well, I'm going to try it because I know it's not really that good.
I tasted the no change. Maybe you'll love it now.
I mean, it's fine. It's just not... It's got a little bit of cinnamon flavor to it. It is strong. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a lot of funkiness. It almost has like a Demerara taste to it.
Unstrained. Got it.
But it is a little bit strong. It's 42%. Just
It's not
over...
that strong. Regular
Yeah.
40.
I know, but even like a couple percent over always feels a little bit more burny. Oh, look, he's going to shave the nutmeg. Hopefully with my shaver thing. Oh, look, it's working.
Hey.
Sweet.
A plus on the shaver, buddy.
I know. It's a good one.
Wicked good.
So the moral of the story are there are 2 cocktails that have been copywritten. Pusser's Painkiller, and Gosling's Dark and Stormy. So this one actually has Pusser in the name. Dark and Stormy just calls for Gosling's Black Seal Rum. You can't, if you don't use it, you can get yourself in a little bit of trouble as a bar.
Right. It's like a Coca-Cola branding thing. If someone asks for a Coke and you give them a Pepsi, and the Coca-Cola people are there.
They're not usually so happy.
Yeah. They got to protect their brand.
If you're making this at home and you're like, I can't get Pusser's, technically what you're making is what's called a painkiller.
Right. It's not a
Pusser's Painkiller. And technically you could do whatever you want with it. But if you want to make this exact drink with a different rum, no one's going to sue you. If you do it as a bartender, they might. And they probably will. Especially in New York.
So this is made famous in some ways by the Soggy Dollar Bar, which is on a small island in the Caribbean of Jost Van Dyke. And
That's how you say that?
It's gorgeous. And it's called the Soggy Dollar Bar because there's a 1/4-mile long beach of white sand. It's absolutely gorgeous. And catamarans will pull up within about 50 feet of it because it's deep, it's shallow, and it drops off, right?
Oh, yeah.
Not that catamarans do deep water, but they pull up and
People do.
they throw anchor. And then people will swim in, and all their money's soggy now, so Soggy Dollar Bar. They're really well known for this. Obviously, it's a really cool
In a plastic cup.
vibe. They serve it in a plastic cup because you're on the beach. You can't do glass. They don't want it breaking and stuff. But yeah, You can buy a drink for someone to come later, and they have like a whole backboard of like dollars put up for like forwarding on buying a drink for someone in the future.
Oh, really?
So you can put the name of the person that you want to buy the drink for on the dollar.
The whole name?
I would hope so.
So if you put
There's a lot
my
of Johns
name
out
on
there.
there, and I show up 3 years later, is it still gonna work?
I don't know if it works or if it's just a
Gimmick?
gimmick. Maybe it is.
Still
But
kind of cool.
pretty cool, yeah.
Your mic is so low.
Turn up your volume.
Mmm.
This is always a good drink.
Always.
I've had these painkillers, not specifically this one because the bar probably didn't have the rum, but I've had painkillers at multiple places, and I've yet to have one that hasn't been good. And I think the reason is it's very hard to fuck up. If you
Because
didn't
there's
put rum in
pineapple,
here,
coconut, and orange juice.
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
so regardless,
It's not gonna be bad.
all you're basically doing is you're using the rum as a transport or an excuse to have these other products because
Which are
if
all
you
delicious on their own.
if you
and better together.
if you drink all those by themselves, it's you're a kid. It's like you're at a fun house or something.
Awesome.
I don't know where you go where kids go. It's like
Very awesome.
so you add the rum and then the cinnamon gives it a nice aroma right on the top and a little bit of a flavor taste to it too. And the nutmeg gives it like that trade spice. You don't really taste it.
Yeah.
The cinnamon you actually
It
can
adds
get
to
it.
Yeah. They definitely do the nutmeg at the Soggy Dollar. I can't remember if they do the cinnamon. Guess who's here?
Answer.
Yeah. So wrap this up.
No, we could jump cut. What's going on?
Jump cut.
What's going on?
So basically, you can't screw it up.
Yeah.
Secondly, it tastes good.
Hmm.
You could probably get this anywhere, and if you have a bad one, you need to tell me where you had it so I won't do
Yeah.
it.
If you want to make friends, make this drink for people.
Yeah, because it's really not that difficult. It's probably the easiest tiki drink you can make if you want to even count it as tiki.
You
I
can
always
even
do.
screw up the ratios and put in like more of one than the
It's
other.
in here.
It's gonna be good.
So it's a tiki drink.
Yeah.
Oh, our executive producer is NCC71201, who happens to be in the chat or was, but he was at like a racing event in Germany at the same time as watching the live stream. So that's going to be awkward. So I don't know if he's here. You can click the join button to help give me some cash, and you'll be the first person in the last 16 months to do so if you do it. So that'd be cool.
Etch your name in the bowels of history now.
Yeah, just do it. Because like this is the time where people actually watch the show. I go through this lull up until now.
Yeah.
So like now I got to hit it with like painkillers and stuff to get people interested again. Because it's like we do a review, 600 views. That sucks. So we're pushing it up. You can use coupon code SUMMER for fun. Save yourself 20% at awesomedrinks.com. You can't get alcohol there, but you could get syrups and tiki glasses and all your other cocktail needs, bitters. So
And that's valid through July 31st, 2022.
yes,
For all you people watching this in the future.
yes, in the future. Sidebar, I got more tiki videos that you can watch and learn down below the bartender starter kit. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.